Hello everyone! Do you know how rubber floor tiles are made? First, rubber granules, adhesive, and color materials are added into the mixing machine according to the required formula. Next, the prepared rubber granules are placed into the mold and leveled with a scraper. Normally, the colored rubber granules are placed as the surface layer, while black rubber granules are used as the bottom layer. Finally, the mold is put into the vulcanizing machine for pressing and forming. After only 3 to 8 minutes, the finished rubber tile is removed and cooled. In the following part, we will show you the production process of large-size rubber tiles. Large rubber tiles are widely used for playgrounds, gyms, walkways, and outdoor flooring because of their excellent shock absorption, durability, and weather resistance. During production, operators first prepare the rubber granules according to the required size and color. The accurately weighed materials are evenly distributed into the large mold to ensure consistent thickness and quality. After leveling the surface, the mold is transferred into the rubber tile press machine for vulcanization and forming. The machine provides stable pressure to make the rubber tile compact, strong, and durable. After the pressing process is completed, the mold is opened, and the finished rubber tile is carefully removed. The final product has a smooth surface, uniform thickness, and excellent elasticity. Our rubber tile making machine can be customized according to different production requirements, including tile size, thickness, capacity, and heating method. If you are interested in rubber recycling solutions or rubber tile production machines, please feel free to contact us. We provide complete solutions from rubber granules processing to finished rubber products. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more machine working videos.